Kirbi Farmers Association celebrates 10th birth anniversary. KSA organized education cum community awareness program in Puloni. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Kirbi Live, your visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The Kirbi Farmers Association had on Sunday celebrated their 10th Foundation Day. The event was held at Tarabasa Auditorium Hall. Here is a report. The program was chaired by KFA President Avinash Ronghang and was attended as chief guest by Kirbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang. The CEM was accompanied by local MSC Dorsing Ronghang, Tarabasa LEMS Chairman Babu Rongpi, KFA advisor Rajesh Tiso and several other dignitaries. During his address in the meeting, KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang talked about the importance to promote farming among people of the Hills District. He also stressed that people here should learn to engage in full-time farming activities like people of other states. He told the people present that the BJP government is also committed to help the farmers in all forms. The KFA submitted a memorandum to the CEM in which they have demanded for assistance to build a permanent office for themselves. The organization had also demanded 5% reservation in the job recruitment under the KEAC. The CEM also stated that all the 18 points included in the KFA's memorandum will be placed in the council session for discussion.
Foundation বিলাক মেমৰেণ্ডাম আকাৰে মোক দিয়া হৈছে এই অভাৱ অভিযোগবিলাকক মই কালি মাতিছোঁ তেওঁলোকক যিমান পাৰোঁ মই কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দি আহিছোঁ আৰু এইবিলাকৰ নোৱাৰা সেইটো নহ'ব কিন্তু যিমানখিনি পইণ্ট ইয়াত দিছে 18 পইণ্ট আছে সেই গোটেইখিনি মই আলাপ আলোচনাৰ মাজতে সমস্যা যদি সমাধান কৰিব পাৰে তাৰ কাৰণে মই চেষ্টা কৰিম
Kirbi Farmers Association la bagi 2010 6 December se la session hai pathe tasemet Kirbi ara kiduk de arat ketiki ara tom kapachung thur pon isia tawar ke japon se la session hai pathe tasi pini aningkanan bangke ningkan ket ata pleno la session tasemet Kirbi sai ketiki ara hai la so ara kapachung thur sai amu klempon bom ke klempon bangla no je ini tom katiki ara tom bangke non awareness oke katiki awareness ma jine ate itu non aso generation non do bom generation bang no apa ho katiki ke non katiki concept je scientific isi method abang so katiki la pakka do isi fancy ni tom to kanu Kirbi Anglong to no ketika da farmers tom hat abang so awareness training pendang no.
KFA President Avinash Ronghang stated that agriculture is the most important means to develop the rural areas of the district, and that the KFA is always ready to assist the farmers. He also said that they will very soon distribute areca nut saplings and potato seeds to the farmers. Dirchana Rongpi from Puloni, Kirbi Anglong Live. NGO Jambalay on Sunday visited Dhoniram Inti village in Koilamati, falling under the Nilip MSC constituency. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The NGO held interaction with the residents of the village at 10 a.m. during their first visit to the area. During the interaction, the NGO members told their group was formed with aim of extending their support towards helping people who are visually challenged and others including deaf, widows and those who are not able to walk to get medical assistance. Meanwhile, the villagers also expressed their happiness over the visit of the NGO to their village, also lauded them for their noble goals and work.
Jambalay jo atum evang lake kam nurang ma alang atum la bangsa program gan pen itum dak niram tiarong arab do am tan itum atum bangsa kilo si sona thale non ke bang ilang poran tai itum dai non te ite itum isi pen isi alang atum ke kene akrab pen kan so anju se long kan bumbu
pinian dadak Koilamati Dhoniram Intiarong hilitum arong rup lo nitum nang humri lo lagi nitum tayo ngarong lo hilitum Jambalay NGO team pen bang so arong oruk lo na ke humri na ke athe ki du pen sini tum nang humri lo athe ki la hen lo ni tum la dak rong ru bolong ki du ki la kat mo phan ka pen ki tukle ma war sai ka vet mo phan non ni tum la medical a hin na ni tum la eyes check up ko kem long ki padu pon je lo ni tum non adon a phai la pen amuni la phai ki en bom a hut la dak arong oruk phan ta ni tum a phai en pon G la pen en pon po ku sini tum la dak nang humri lo
Samson Ingti from Koilamati for Kirbi Long Life. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Kirbi Anglong Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapatielong. Kachapati journey lake, matijong ni phai krehini, adim lake, Joycing Doloi Auditorium Hall, Tikhu. Laban ning chibik tha, bang suarni, kelang dona bang pubang piatum an setamin, ang hodi kachipu, ting ningki. Nanglitum adamasar mai lapen kapre rong aje ki dunjia phan pindeng kaching thangja ka dure do ikma jongsi do pulo tangte matha ikri humri da mignon pindeng pangrum akula dalong Northeast lapen Kirbi Anglong along nong nam kache thangklong bangphi designer Kirbi Bepi non hejong kapaklangmi so arlo atum kaching thanga pindeng pini pekok lapen wamkok kulara long kapaklangmi langmesen do Asi humri dam igra nalitum ning ke hanga tengpen chongwai dam iktham lapen ka humri dam nang jadim lake la biarlo ke tok henlo Welcome back after the break. The Kirbi Students Association Center Bajar Committee on Sunday organized Education cum Community Awareness Program in Puloni at 11 a.m. The program was held at Chirikangjang Sir Teron village under the Puloni MSA constituency. The program was chaired by the KSA Center Branch Committee President Sarklimso Ronghang, and the purpose of the program was explained to the locals by Secretary Mir Jengbei. Present at the program include Central Committee President Samson Teron, General Secretary Biswajoti Teron, Vice President Vishnu Teron, Assistant Secretary Ajay Rongjahan, Central Committee members Babu Rongpi, Rensing Rongpar and Jet Likro among others from Bokajan and Hamran District Committee. While speaking on the occasion, KSA Central Committee President Samson Teron stated that Kirbis are very backward in terms of education and therefore youths should need to study and work very hard in order to be able to cope with the various challenges in life. He also stressed that women also need to push and encourage their children in their studies.
Sirteron arong labang su hawarlong kedu arisu jang obigimi akirang phartum phan akirang jelangani itum la toklang hin kapachi hum ade kapacha thang educational awareness program la kulo lapen ilitum karbia khayatum non an bir thega chi kerala pormolom ko phone thega chaladon thegning gima labang so bu thega si kacha thana chimu momai phone phil tum dak pedu ponlo
It may be mentioned that there are several youths from over local and adjoining villages also attended the program. Mohan Tiron from Kironi for Kirbi Long Life. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha of Sarupathar Mandal Committee held their first executive meeting at BJP party office premises in Sangtihidi, Kirbi Anglong. The meeting was attended by BJYM President Raju Singnar, and the purpose and agenda of the meeting were explained by Secretary Anil Togbi. Number 22, Sarupathar Constituency VDC Chairman Riso Singnar attended the meeting as chief guest, was accompanied by BJYM East Kirbi Anglong District General Secretary Rangmukrang Teron as resource person, and also Mandal President Lokhiram Rongpi, Mandal Secretary Honaram Singnar, Executive Member East Kirbi Anglong District Committee Romesh Singnar, Vice President Kisan Morcha Kareng Teronpi, Executive Member State Mohila Morcha Dipti Gogoi, President of ST Morcha Mandal Bapuram Timong, Secretary Riso Timong, Joy Babu Ingti, whole set of Yuva Morcha Committee and several others. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Kirbi Long Life. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Carbon Live.